Unraveling the mystery. What is a pipe cutter? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term from the world of tools and machinery. Pipe cutter. This might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding terms like this can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in and demystify pipe cutter together. A pipe cutter is a tool used for cutting pipes. Now, this might sound simple, but it's important to understand the context in which it's used. Pipe cutters are commonly found in fields like plumbing, construction, and manufacturing. They are designed to create a clean and precise cut through various types of pipes, such as metal, plastic, or copper. There are different types of pipe cutters, each suited for specific kinds of pipes and purposes. 1. Rotary pipe cutter. This is the most common type, perfect for cutting metal pipes. It has a sharp cutting wheel and an adjustable jaw to fit different pipe sizes. 2. Ratcheting pipe cutter. Ideal for plastic pipes, it uses a ratchet mechanism to make cutting easier. 3. Three-wheel cutter, used for larger, heavier pipes, often in industrial settings. Understanding these types helps in recognizing the tool's versatility and importance in various industries. The term pipe cutter isn't just limited to its literal meaning. It can also be used metaphorically. For instance, someone might say, "We need a pipe cutter for this project," not referring to the actual tool, but implying the need for a solution that is precise and efficient. This metaphorical use showcases the richness and creativity of the English language. We hope this video has shed light on what a pipe cutter is and how it's used, both literally and metaphorically. Understanding such terms not only enhances your English language skills but also gives you a glimpse into different professional fields. Keep exploring, and remember, every word or phrase is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.